Now today we have a first ever visitation of the Ugandan community by the Queen of Buganda. When they're going to meet the Queen, it is a proud event, and everyone is in the mood at Hotel Excelsior this afternoon at 2 p.m. We are going to be receiving this precious guest.
Ntuusa okwebaza kwange oba okusiima kwange okuva mu kampani gye nkolera gye bayita Alder Hub Exchange, okwebaza okwo okugenda eri abateesiteesi b'omukolo guno ne bannayuganda mwenna okutulowoozaako, kubanga kino tetwali kisobodde singa tulina products 3 ze tutunda. Products esooka tuweereza ssente, omuntu wona azigenda naziwithdrawinga cash, oba osobola zimusanza ku kasimu ke paka eri ekyaddondo wansi, maama jjajja alima, ssente zimusanga ku ssimu. Tusobola okuziweereza ssente zo ku akawunti. Product eyo tukirina, oteeka ssente zo ku akawunti yo ne zigenda ne zibeerayo eka, oluvannyuma lw'ebbanga lyonna lyomaze okuwithdrawinga ssente zo nokola ky'oyagala. Tulina empeereza esinga okubeera ennungi eyesigika, eri very fast ate yesigika 100 ku 100. Mwami Deria, Start Operations Manager at the Hub Exchange.
On behalf of the company, we are glad to be part of this event. So hopefully we will continue together into the near future. And I just want to say thank you, and hopefully we'll have some fun today. Thank you.
Yes, good evening everybody. I would like to thank Tower Radio, Tower TV, for everything you've done today. It has really been so massive today. Today's event for the Royal Dinner here at Excelsior Hotel in Dubai. And secondly, I would like to omnistically and tantamentally, I would like to drastically thank the Hubshil for the sponsorship it has done to us today. It has given us a very big honor to our Queen. It has sponsored the ceremony, and it has distributed tickets to very many people. Ugandans have gone appreciating, and I myself have also appreciated, because the Hubshil really done a very good thing. And I would like to also thank you, the Hubshil, for helping us send our money to Uganda at a very low cost. Thank you so much. I would like also to convince all the Ugandans, abroad Ugandans in the UAE, to use the Hubshil, because it has really showed us a very good friendship and love. Thank you so much. The Hubshil, thanks for the sponsorship you've done to us, really given this ceremony, this event honor. Thank you so much. Everybody has gone out appreciating for what you've done to us. Thank you, the Hubshil. Thank you, Tower Radio, Tower TV. Thank you so much. Bye bye.